I got lipstick on my teeth again. Hey y'all, so today, of course, you already know by the title of this video, but you're going to be learning how to do this Valentine eyeshadow look. It's just a lot of pinks and like kind of like a rose gold on the lid. Yeah, just a smoky eye. Just a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, a little bit of cut crease. You know, it's coming at you in about. Alrighty y'all, so first I'm going to be taking some tape and getting that tackiness off and applying it to the outer corner of my eye so I can get that cut crease. Now I'm going to be taking this brush by e.l.f., the blending eye brush, and using pink poinsettia in the I Believe in Pink palette by Too Faced and just applying that to my crease. Now I'm going to be taking the contour shadow brush, I'm not sure what brand, but I used this shade Beethoven in the Neutral Beauty palette by Too Faced. Now I'm going to be taking my ColourPop concealer and just cutting the crease, and that little brush I showed, it's just an eyeliner brush, but I used it to cut my crease, so I'm not really sure the name of it. So now I'm going to be taking this smudge blender brush and taking the color High Strung, it's a ColourPop color, and applying that to my lid. This color is gorgeous, y'all. My goodness, I love it so much. Now I'm just going back in with Beethoven and just applying it to the outer corner just to blend those two colors together. Now I'm taking my sketch marker eyeliner by Too Faced. Y'all, I love Too Faced, just saying. But I'm applying that to my eye and just winging it out. So now I'm going to be going in with my Tarte Tarteless Pro glitter liner in rose gold and applying that to my crease. The good thing about glitter liners is that it doesn't get fallout everywhere, and glitter's not everywhere. So I love using glitter liners, and it always adds like a really pretty element to it. And now I'm going to be going back in with the pink poinsettia eyeshadow and the Beethoven eyeshadow and applying that to my lower lash line just to smoke it out a little bit more. Then I'm going to be taking my, what is it called, smoky liner brush and taking the color The Knot out of the You Had Me at Hello palette and applying that to my brow bone. And then I'm taking the Unique Moonstruck Epic mascara and applying that to my lashes. And then you'll see me go back in with the Lash Paradise mascara on top for a little bit more volume. And so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. If you made it to the end, give it a like and subscribe down below, y'all. God is good, and y'all stay beautiful and vibrant. Bye, loves.